Hello viewers, I am Orka Prabhu and you are watching Next Tech. So today in this video I am gonna unbox this Realme Buds Q True Wireless Earbuds. So without further delay, let's get straight into the unboxing. Subscribe our channel Next Tech for more quality tech videos and press the bell icon and press all to get notified every time I upload a new video. Here is the box packaging of Realme Buds Q in the signature yellow color of Realme over there, and there sides you get the Realme branding over there, and on back you can see here is a 20-hour long battery life, 12mm bass boost driver over there, and you can get the super low latency gaming mode, and here is the instant connection, ultra low light, and designed by Jose Levy. Now let's look at the pricing. So on the box it written at rupees 2499, but on online websites like Flipkart you can get this on 1599. So now let me cut the seal and open the box. This packaging is quite good, and now I'm opening. So there is kind of a pulley system, and the white box inside this consists of all the things. So here is on the top you can get the earbud case, and that's in black color. That's also available in several other colors. So it's a black one that I have ordered. And what else can I get in the box? So there is earbuds, and there I can see a micro USB cable and some document information over there. Here is a box of the Realme Buds Q, the charging case. It says long press for 5 seconds for pairing. Now let me just unwrap this and open this for you, and here it is. You can see here, like on top here is a Realme branding on there, that's glossy, and on back you get the micro USB charging port, and here is the Realme branding, and here there is a hinge over there, so you can open the box and get the earbuds. And on earbuds there is also plastic wrapping, and here you also get like a red colored peely top stickers, so you have to peel them to use the product. And now here is the earbud, and here is the glossy Realme branding over there, and the whole earbud is in matte finish, and here is the right left indicator and the charging magnetic connector, and here is a silicone tip over the speaker grill. Now you can see the black speaker grill in metallic condition, and here is a box itself. You can just use it as a single ear monitor like old Bluetooth earphones, so that is also good for users who like to call. And let me pair now the earphones. Just you have to pull it out of the box, and it will connect automatically. It's a Bluetooth 5.2, and here I am connecting it to I have connected it to my smartphone, and that's it. Now here is a manual you can get. Here is a product packing list and product information, and on the back you get the warranty information. And here is a micro USB cable which you get on the box for charging the earphone case, that is in also signature Realme yellow color. So now let's check the audio quality of this Realme Buds Q, and this will be my first time testing this Realme Buds Q. So I will give you the first impression about this product. So let's hear the audio demo. Here is the multi-function button on the Realme earbuds, and then you can double tap on this to play, pause music or answer call. You can triple tap on this to go to next song. You can press and hold on one side to end the call, and there is also a enter or exit. There is a gaming mode here, so you can press and hold both of the sides, then you can enter or you can exit the gaming mode, and that's good. So that's it for today guys, and do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this, and let me now give you my first impression about this product. So I think the bass is very good, like the boom boom bass in this, like Realme Buds Q is already a bass boosted one. It has large drivers, so yeah, it's good for bass persons, for bass lovers. It's very good for those EDM songs, and the vocals were clear, the mid tones were great, really. The mid tones, I really like the mids. And so sometime when the high tones came, the high tones lack, the treble really lacks that. And as I said, the bass is really good, mids are good, and the high is not that good in my first impression. So I will post a long term review about this Realme Buds Q True Wireless Earbud after 2 to 3 weeks of my usage. So I will post it in my channel. So to get that video, just subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So that's it for the video, and do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this product, Realme Buds Q. And hope you like the video. Then press the like button, share this video as much as possible, because I need your support as a new YouTuber. And subscribe our channel Next Tech for more quality and interesting tech videos, and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching the whole video, guys. So stay tuned, we will meet soon. Bye bye.